Hello. Get another update on hydroponics. Woo! They're all sprouting. Got the dill, Geneva's basil, Thai basil, curly parsley, mint, and thyme. And it is like snow outside, so this is cool. This tinfoil is really helping out a lot. It is helping a lot. Helping keep the heat in, that's for sure. Because there was a cold draft before. Extremely cold draft before. Get these to bloom out. Then I got this guy right here from summertime. And a beet that just chills there. Planted this guy in spring. Planted both these in spring. Like there was more of these, but they didn't really pop off. And then the tomatoes. I picked some more today. There's some that still grow. Just little guys that just grow. But yeah, this thing's about ready. But man, they keep as long as they keep growing tomatoes, why not? Like I picked this guy off just the other day. Just 2 days ago. My mom, she picked 11 off the other day. And let's see if you guys can see outside. Dang. But there's snow out there, man. It's like 30 degrees. So this is really cool. And this is only a 20-watt LED light. Only 20 watts. Aerial garden. I like it. You put the food or to open up the container right there. Open up that container, put the water in there, in the plant food. This light, it turns on in the morning, stays off. It has an automatic timer. It's gonna turn off here soon. But yeah, I just wanted to give an update. That's how big it is. Woo!